Funky socks. Let's get funky.
For funky socks, let's get funky. So today, guys, we fantastic. What are you doing?
Continue what you're saying.
What are you doing?
I just got a fortune cookie. See, it's a fortune cookie.
You do know that this fortune cookie is fake?
Fake? I don't know that is fake.
Well, I'll prove it to you. Let me show you. It's fake. This piece of cookie
Ooh, that
cannot
might
tell you
taste
your
good.
fortune.
Ugh, that doesn't taste nice.
Of course it
Terrible
doesn't.
cookie.
It's just a cheap cookie and has a piece of rubbish in there.
Rubbish.
Let me show you.
Well, the
Ow! What on earth are you crazy? Are you cray-cray?
Yes, I am.
You're gonna break
cray-cray.
the camera!
Oh.
Are you cray-cray? He's
Oh.
cray-cray, everybody. All you little fans, this guy's
What does
cray-cray.
this say?
Let me read. I can read. I can read.
Let me smash that again.
No, you're not.
Yes.
Stop. Oh, so anyway,
And it's
luckily,
mine.
luckily I'm not a fortune cookie. All I would get smashed by fantastic. This cray-cray over here. Lucky me.
Okay, I'm going to smash this cookie.
Let me go read this. Ask the blah 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 blah.
Okay,
I'll
let
forget this
me
thing.
read instead.
No, you can't read it.
Tug of war.
Again.
Yeah.
So guys, I don't think anyone's gonna read this fortune rubbish, cause this cray-cray over here just broke it.
Yeah,
You
it's
mad
kind,
man.
it's kind of good, isn't it?
Mad sock.
Yeah, with socks.
Anyway.
I'll smash it again.
No, you're not. Oh gosh. Well,
You know my clothes are not getting dirty.
of course you're a sock.
Ow, ow, ow. Now I'm so flattered.
Yeah. Okay. Click the subscribe button and get funky.
Like, click the subscribe button and get funky. Sorry?